What's up, crypto fam? If you're grinding through this wild market like the rest of us Americans chasing that next big win, pull up a chair because we're diving straight into this XRP chart that's got more drama than a Thanksgiving family dinner. Imagine this, XRP, the rebel of the crypto world, the one that's been battling the big banks and regulators like a lone wolf in a Wall Street suit. Right now, on November 29th, 2025, it's trading at about $2.21 USD. That's up a hair from yesterday's dip, but with a 24-hour volume exploding to over $2.69 billion. Yeah, the whales are swimming in. Folks, this isn't just some sleepy altcoin. This is XRP flexing its muscles after years of SEC drama, ETF hype, and Ripple's global payment empire going full throttle. If you're not paying attention, you might miss the rocket launch. Look at that main candlestick playground up top. Those green and red bars dancing like they're at a Vegas afterparty. Over the last week, we've got this tight consolidation around $2.10 to $2.34, with the price hugging the 2.21 mark like it's afraid to let go. But zoom out, it's been on a slow burn climb since mid-November, bouncing off that juicy support at $1.93 like a rubber ball on steroids. The highs are teasing $2.34, but every time it pokes up, sellers slap it back, classic tug-of-war. Right, yet the buyers aren't backing down. Volume spiking on those green candles, meaning real money's piling in. Not just FOMO retail noise, this setup. It's got that electric vibe of a breakout waiting to happen, especially with holiday liquidity flooding the markets and Trump's pro-crypto vibes still echoing from the election. Now feast your eyes on those squiggly lines, the EMAs, the moving averages that are basically XRP's GPS. That 7-period EMA at 2.1975 is curling up like a victory fist, crossing above the 25-period at 1.8582, bullish golden cross alert. The 50-period, 2.167, and 100-period, 2.198 are flattening out, acting like a trampoline floor, while the 200-period beast at 2.797 looms overhead as resistance. Price is sandwiched right in the middle. But the trend, upward baby, it's like XRP's whispering. I've shaken off the SEC shackles, now watch me run. And don't sleep on the Bollinger Bands. Price is riding the upper band at 2.0686, squeezing tight for a volatility pop. If it blasts through that midline at 1.9318, we're talking fireworks. Flip down to the MACD. That histogram's flipping positive with the DIF at 0.0132 and DEA at 0.0186. Signal line crossing bullish, momentum shifting from bearish blues to green gains. No cap RSI at 51.8965, neutral territory, not overbought like a bubble about to burst, room to run without puking profits. Volume oscillators humming low at 9.4 million, but with those orange spikes on up days. Institutional hands all over it, and the SAR dots flipping bullish below price, parabolic squeeze incoming. Bottom line, this chart isn't lying. XRP's coiling like a spring in a bear market trap. After the post-election pump to $3.66 in July, we've corrected hard, but utility's king here. Ripple's on-demand liquidity is eating wire transfers for breakfast. ETFs are live, and with 59 billion tokens circulating at a $135 billion market cap, it's undervalued AF compared to Bitcoin's bloat. This dip, it's your Black Friday steal, patriots. Price prediction time. What's next for XRP in December? Straight fire. Short term, bulls need to close above $2.22 this week to confirm the breakout. That's your green light for $2.38. Then $2.57 by mid-December. If volume holds and we dodge macro-Fed noise, I'm eyeing $2.85 by Christmas. A solid 29% pump from here. Perfect for stacking those gains before New Year's toasts. But hold tight. In a full bull roar with more ETF inflows and regulatory wins, we could smash $3.80 by year-end, testing that all-time high vibe. Bear case, if it cracks $1.93 support, we dip to $1.82 for a quick rebound setup.